It's a huge, huge thing for me to be able to give these learners prospects and improve themselves, their lives, not just professionally. Okay, they get a job, they get an apprenticeship, but it's nice for them to go away feeling better about themselves, feeling more confident in what they do, and that's what gets me up in the morning. My learners make me really happy that I do what I do, and I get so much satisfaction from seeing how happy they are and how they leave my classroom energised and pleased, like they've achieved something in the day. But to be recognised for it would just be phenomenal.
One of the real benefits we've seen working with our partners is the fact that we've all driven up our quality together. More people going into employment, more people improving their skills, businesses improving, and that's really important for Wales to be doing that type of work. So without our partners we wouldn't be able to do that, so it's a great story.